Okay, good afternoon, good morning. Sorry about that. I just wanted to show you how to access your independent work folder. This is where we complete all in-class assignments. Think about it as your workbook for the class. In this folder, you are going to be graded each week for the assignments that you complete in class, so you get credit for your in-class work. If you are absent that day, you are excused from that assignment, so you don't have to worry about going back and making it up if you were absent. But if you did not complete the assignment in class, you do need to complete it by the Sunday of each week because it is worth a weekly grade. Also, in these assignments, you can see live feedback. You do not have to save anything. You do not have to upload anything. You can work directly in that folder in the assignment online because it saves automatically for you. It also allows me to see if you're working in the page or if you're not on the page as well. But I just want to show you how to access your folder. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the Literacy Connections course through the online school. This obviously looks a little bit different. This is the teacher version, but it's the same way that you get to it on your side. So go to Literacy Connections, click on the Content tab here on the purple menu bar. Now you're going to scroll all the way down. On the left panel, the left-hand side, you'll see Independent Practice Work folder. You can click on that. Then you're going to find your section. You might see on my side that all these names pop up. These names won't pop up. Only your name will pop up. So find your section, 8 a.m., 11, or 2:30, and say you are this student. You're going to click on your name. Only your name should pop up, so don't worry about seeing anybody else's. And then this is your folder. You have an assignment list. This is just an extra resource for you, just a checklist if you can use it if you'd like, but that you don't have to do anything with that, just another resource. And now you have your assignments. These are assignments that you will be working on. Remember, you don't have to save, upload. All you do is click, work in them, and it automatically saves your work. Please let me know if you have any questions about this. You do want to make sure that you know how to open up your independent practice folder since it is an item that will be graded each week. Thank you so much for watching.